Hi, we'll talk today about multiplying and dividing rational expressions. To multiply rational expressions, we use the following property of fractions. A over P multiplied by C over D, that would equal to, we will multiply the numerator, so we'll have AC, and we will multiply the denominator, so we'll get PD. Let's see an example. So in this example, we want to multiply these two fractions. So the first step is to factor. So we want to factor this, and factor this. So here we have plus 2, so we want two numbers. The summation of them is plus 2 and the multiplication of them is minus 3. So if you search in numbers, you'll find that the two numbers are minus 1 and plus 3. Let's see this fraction here. So we want two numbers, the summation of them is 8 and the multiplication of them is 16. You'll find that plus 4 and plus 4 are the two numbers that satisfy these two conditions. And here we want to take 3 as a common factor, so we'll have 3. Here we have x plus 4. Okay, so let me just rewrite this multiplication in another line. So we will have here x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 over, here we will have x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4. We are factoring. Here we are taking 3 as a common factor, so we will have x plus 4 over x minus 1. So let me just make some space. Okay, so as you can notice here we have x minus 1, here we have x minus 1, it's gone. Here we have x plus 4, here we have x plus 4, it's gone too. So the remaining part is this 3 here, this here, and this here. So we will multiply, so we will have 3x plus 3 over x plus 4. So we can just simplify it, so we can just rewrite it as 3x plus 9 over x plus 4. And this is the final solution. To divide rational expressions, we use the following property of fractions. A over P divided by C over D, that would equal to, we'll take this fraction, we will just write it as it is, so it's A over P, and this division, we'll flip it into multiplication, and we'll flip this fraction here, so we'll have D over C. So if we see this division, always we'll just convert it into multiplication and flip the fraction. Okay, let's see an example. So in this example, we have a fraction divided by another fraction here. So as I said before, when we see division, we have to convert it into multiplication and flip the next fraction. So we will have here x minus 4 over x to the power 2 minus 4 multiplied by, we'll flip this fraction here. So we'll have x to the power 2 plus 5x plus 6 over x to the power 2 minus 3x minus 4. So now we will just factor. So if you look here, we cannot factor this, so we will just write it x minus 4 over. We can factor this because it's the difference of two squares, because this is, we can write it as x to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 2. So here we will have x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, and we will have multiplication here, and then we'll factor this. So we want two numbers, the summation of them is 5 and the multiplication is 6. So if you search for the two numbers, you will find the two numbers are plus 2 and plus 3. And if you look here, we want two numbers, the summation of them is minus 3 and the multiplication of them is minus 4. So the two numbers are minus 4 and plus 1. Okay, so let's move here. So we'll write here x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. And here we will have x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. Okay, so now just see here, we can cancel some terms. So we'll cancel this with this. We will cancel this with this. And the remaining part would be x plus 3 over x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 1. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And goodbye.